Bling bling. Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make this beautiful bejeweled pumpkin, and all for about $10. So let's get started. So we're going to make a simple jeweled pumpkin, and it was all inspired by these beautiful paper flowers I bought at Hobby Lobby. This was marked $6.99, but everything was something like 50% off or 40% off. So this was like $3.50, something like that. And it's just a pack of off-white flowers that are paper with gold centers. So I have those on a plate here, and I also added some jewels that we've used in the past, and we're going to use that on this little pumpkin. Just make a really beautiful little pattern, a tone-on-tone pumpkin, very subtle and elegant. And this is just a inexpensive craft pumpkin I bought on Amazon, part of a kit of pumpkins, a set of pumpkins, large and small. And all I did was take this little top off and spray paint it gold to go with our jeweled pumpkin look. All right. So all I'm going to do is glue these flowers on this pumpkin in a pattern. I was thinking like a sort of a crescent pattern going up the pumpkin. And I'm just using hot glue gun to do this. And it's going to be very easy and fast project that you can do very inexpensively. I'm going to start at the bottom here and work my way up. These paper flowers are so pretty. They had a lot of different ones. They had daisies. They had a set that was bright white. They had tulips, all sorts at Hobby Lobby. I think they have it in the card craft area. It was just really fun. I'm always walking through there looking for inspiration. Just doing hot glue. And that's what I have so far. I have it on the bottom right there. But I'm going to kind of make a crescent. Also comes with these leaves, but I don't think I'm going to use that because I'm going to put these little pearl jewels on here. I think it's too refined a look with the leaves. The leaves I'll save for another project. And I'm sort of putting the larger flowers on the bottom, and then at the edge of the crescent, we're going to go smaller with smaller flowers. I was going to spray paint my pumpkin gold, but I decided to leave it white. I love that white on white. It almost reminds me of a cake, right? Like buttercream. Okay. Just doing the paper flowers first. This last one I'm going to add in at the bottom here. And I have 3 little tiny roses that came on stems. I cut them off the stems. I'm just going to use the little roses as the little roses just at the end. It's really pretty because it gives it a 3-dimensionality. Okay, add a little rose there. The roses are kind of hard to add on because the area of contact is so small. I think we're doing it. Add one there. And then I have one more little white rose. Where should I put it? Down here? Or maybe up here? Maybe up there so we can see it better. Down there matters less. I'm also going to put a little glue on the stem here because it's keeps falling out. There we go. Now it should stay. Now I'm going to add in the jewels, just a little bit here and there. Don't know if these are too big, maybe, these jewels. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe I'll add one. These jewels I bought on Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive. They're really pretty, pearl with gold and rhinestones. I've used it on Easter eggs and bouquets as well. Just a little bit of bling bling. Now I'm adding this flower right on top of our flowers right there. Can you see? Because I want to build up kind of the layers and make it more three-dimensional. And add a little bit of sparkle and bling. And here's a very pretty one with a little gold leaf on it. I added a jewel right there at the top here of my crescent, right there. I'm going to add another one, maybe on the this end of the crescent. Just a different shape. I don't have that. I don't have to add the exact one. It's not working very well. There it is. There we go. Okay. I'm trying to see if I want to add another one there to help transition that. Maybe this little flower would be pretty here. A little flat daisy-like flower. Don't want to overdo the bling. Let's see, maybe one more right here. Tucked in here. Yeah, I think that would be very pretty. Or should I add another one of these? No, I think that's a bit much. If I do, maybe I put it over here. I'll link in the description below these jewels. They're really wonderful to use in all sorts of crafts, and they're very inexpensive. They come in gold and silver, I believe, but I love the pearl with the rhinestones. Really beautiful. Okay. I was contemplating, should we want to add a little bling at the top? What do you guys think? That'd be pretty around the top of the pumpkin to add some more jewels. Yeah, why not? Do we want that? Like this? Maybe 3 of them to cluster around the top. Yes, that'd be very pretty. Okay. Be careful when you're using hot glue gun. Got glue in my hand earlier. I can't believe how hot this glue is. That's good. That's why all the stuff stays so well, but it's really hot. we go. So we're all done. That was a super easy project, right? And very inexpensive. We bought the little paper flowers for something like $3.50 and then a few dollars for the jewels. And I think this pumpkin, when you buy it in a set from Amazon, is only like $1.50. So for about $10 or less, you have a beautiful project. And what a lovely gift this would make. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something today. As always, please like and subscribe. Tell me what you're doing for fall decor at your home. And I will see you in my next video.